Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will tell you what Our Story on Snapchat is and show how to use it. The Our Story on Snapchat is a feature that allows users to share their snaps with a much wider audience. Our stories are public Snapchat stories that correspond to a particular location or event. When you upload a snap to Our Story for, let's say, a concert, then other users can see it when they search the event story or find it by location. Follow these steps and you will figure out how to use the Snapchat feature. Go to the camera screen and press on the button in order to create a snap. Hit the Send To button. Now you can see that there is an option to send your snap to your friends, add to my story, or to Our Story. So tap Our Story and click on the Send button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add a snap to Our Story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.